Hi, I am Counselling COM-FSM, a counselor at the National Campus.
And I am Cindy Edwin, a counselor at the Career and Technical Education Center, formerly Pohnpei Campus. We are here to introduce to you the College of Micronesia FSM's counseling services.
Counseling is available to assist students at the National Campus, state campuses, and the FSM Fisheries and Maritime Institute. If you have questions or concerns regarding academic, career, disciplinary, or personal matters, we are here to help you.
Let us show you how you can reach out to us through the college's website.
Hi, my name is Marcela Ardos, and today I will be teaching you how to get in touch with your counselor. So the first thing you have to do is open up a browser and go to COM-FSM.fm. Go to Student Services and click on Counseling Services. It will then show you this window, and this window shows all the information you need to know about counseling services. Now scroll down and look for the counselor that's assigned to your campus. There are counseling offices in Chuuk, Kashrai, Yap, and Pohnpei. Here's a quick example of how to get in touch with a counselor. In order to get in touch with a counselor, you need to copy their email address. So let's say my counselor is Cindy Edwin. I'm going to copy this, go back up to Quick Access and click on Webmail. Then I'm gonna log in using my username, which is the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name. You're going to paste their email address here where it says to, and make sure to include a subject. And be sure to be specific because that's the first thing they see when they open up their email. Since I'm requesting for an appointment, I'll just type out requesting for an appointment. And then say your greetings and then type out your message to your counselor. And when you're done, you can click on Send Mail. And then you just wait for their reply. That's it. Good luck.
On our next video, we will tell you everything you need to know about our tutorial services.